Bayang magiliw, pearls ang silangan. This is like a vlog, our national
I pledge
anthem.
allegiance to the flag.
Jack it up.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is Sunday. I'm heading upstate with my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law for wedding bridal shower, bridal shower, and my son is kind of sad. And I know I'm just wearing simple thing. I'm going to wear this later if I get cold. This one, I'm just wearing jeans, guys, because you know, my other sister-in-law will drop me to my house later after the bridal shower. So she's going to drop me to my house. My husband won't be there because my husband have an appointment tomorrow, and after that he has a lot of things need to be done in here. I mean, computer thing. And so yeah, so I will see you later, guys. It's not gonna be a long vlog because I can't vlog over there, but
bride that is falling apart.
That's right, we're the mummy bride.
Fantastic. And our, look at this short dress. I love it.
For the mini skirt lover.
I love that
Second place we want to give to Charlotte.
look what my sister-in-law did.
Nobody takes that. She's not horrible. She's not.
Look what I've got, guys, for this bridal thing. Nah, I'm talking to the camera. This, what is this? Starfish. Is that starfish, right?
Yes.
But I think it's not real, right?
I think it's ceramic.
Yes,
Probably like a
ceramic.
resin.
Yeah, so.
Friend, girlfriend, some kind of friend.
Yeah, whatever.
They're all friends.
There you go, the crazy driver. Let's go.
Got that. See what kind of leaves you got.
Bayang magiliw, pearls ang silangan. This is like a vlog, our national
I pledge
anthem.
allegiance to the flag.
We have the different national anthem. What is the national anthem here? The name, the title, the
Star Spangled Banner?
is that the title?
Yeah.
It starts finger butter.
The Star Spangled Banner.
Oh, I thought it starts finger butter.
I think it has to dry up more.
Remember, guys,
It's very
I'm here
cold.
with my sister.
You go
Nandito
lower
ako
to
sa
the
bahay
hay
ng
for a
sister-in-law
room
ko.
where you're gonna sleep. So you can rake your dang leaves. No, you know what? Actually, I think I'm gonna keep you here so you can rake my
That's
dang
something I'm
leaves.
thinking.
teach you how to
I
ride
can
a
help.
lawnmower.
I can help Andrea.
I can teach you how to ride a lawnmower.
It's a lot of leaves. I don't know if the back.
No, there was a lot of leaves before. Because it cools everything. It turns into dirt.
It's really nice. You know, you
I
can
like
just
the golden. Like
Yeah.
how pretty it is.
yeah. Hi guys, I am home just watching TV there. Love to see the TV. So now we have TV here. I'm just gonna watch The Walking Dead. After watching Walking Dead, I'm going to probably go up here and go to sleep. Okay guys, I'm just gonna clean my face. I'll see you later. I'm going to edit some video while watching the show. And I just need my lip gloss. The bridal shower, it was fun. So my sister-in-law, she offered to bring me to here, to the house, and because Tammy can't do it tomorrow because he has an appointment and he can't do it, so I wanna come here anyway. Before dropping me off over here, I asked her if she can stop to grocery because I need grocery. I don't have milk. I just don't really buy grocery a lot. Can't find it. Where are you? There. Sunglasses for my laptop and headphones. I don't know what time is it. I think it's 6 o'clock. I don't even wanna eat dinner. Hi guys. I was kinda hungry and I'm hungry and it's already 9 o'clock. I'm still editing the video and watching the Housewife of Atlanta, and I'm having bread. I'm eating the bread. My eyes is red. And I'm just gonna have bread. I know it's so bad. Okay guys, I'm going to end this vlog now, and I will see you tomorrow. I will see you in my next vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's not a long vlog today, but yeah, thank you. Oh. Oh. Karong gabi inanak ko diha ron kanang doon hapit na ko sa balay doon naman gani kaayo ko kita na ko sa kuan sa terminal sa motor sa kuan terminal. Hapit na ko abot sa inyo balay. Gawas ragod na anak ko sa nanak ko sa kuan sa atbang sa balay. Gawas. Kadakuan na inyohang CR diha. Dako man ang inyohang kalibangan diha kay naa may daghang sagbutan. Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. I was talking to my family this morning. My sister's kid, which is, grade 1 and not even in the school. The other one, they're very talkative. They can talk like forever. And I enjoy talking to them because they know me. And it's already 8 o'clock. I'm still going to eat because last night I haven't eaten anything. Well, I did eat bread. I was hungry. We have lunch in the bridal shower yesterday, which is, that was 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And I kind of hungry and no dinner at all. So no dinner. Let me just turn the TV on and I'm gonna keep cooking. And let's see, why it's not working. The cable is off. I was editing last night and it's not really, it's done editing, but I don't review. So this morning I review everything and stuff like that. And nag-upload na. It is processing 90% and it's 2 minutes remaining, then it will be live. This time is need to be changed. Hold on. It's, what is the real time here? I think it's 11. The time over here in the microwave and the oven, it doesn't change because it's not automatic. So the real time it is 11 o'clock. So I'm gonna change it to 11. Timer, start time, clock. Okay, 11:01 over here. Where is the clock? Tommy just called me and not in a good mood hanging up. It's not in a good ending talk. But he went to his doctor appointment. He went in there and it's done. So that's why he's not here. So yeah. Come on down. Okay, I am going to make this, the one that I got yesterday with my sister-in-law when we went shopping. So I'm just gonna do this. This is a T-bone steak and it's not crazy because look, it's $5.49 per pound and the total is $6.20. So yun ang lunch ko guys. Hindi naman yan lahat kakainin ko, para din may pang-tatlong kainan yan. Pang-tatlong kainan with gulay and rice. So good and good and good. So that's what I'm going to have for lunch because I just have bread and bread. Last night I had bread. This morning I had bread. So I'm just gonna use this Montreal steak seasoning because it's the best. If you cook this one, it go tender. But the thing is, the bone is fun. Like kit-kit guys ba? Kit-kit. Yung kumit-kit ka ng parang kumit-kit ka ng alam mo na. I kinda know strength today. I don't know because maybe my husband and I have a bad hang up in the phone when we hang up. I don't know. Here guys, the steak cooked very fast. I don't cook it long. I'm having rice here. I made rice and this is my lunch. I'm gonna close the window guys because it's freezing. Look at this. This is a nice lunchy. I'm gonna close the door because the wind is freezing. Oh my god. It's so windy. If you're here right now, if you are here right now, guys, it's so windy and it's freezing cold. It's not just like windy, like nice wind. It's freezing. I bring some boxes from the basement, and there's a lot in here. I think I showed you this when I was packing in the other house though. I showed this to you. This is really good for outside thing. This one, the big bolsy. I have few of that in the other house still. And what is this? We have a plug. We have this one. I want this in the somewhere window. I don't know. If you commented on my vlog, if I don't reply, that means I don't see the comments, or maybe the comments went to the spam. Sometimes, most of the time, I check it. I check the spam area. I don't know why it went to spam. Even the people that I know and we, it's not spam. Kind of like annoying though. If I don't comment back, or I think I ignored you, I don't ignore you guys. Some of the comments is in there, and sometimes I forget to look in there. Sometimes sometimes I go over there, visit to the spam area. If I see some message that I know, or the people that I know that comment me, I don't understand why it go to the spam section. I can't wait for this. I can't wait to replace this light, guys. So. But anyway, there's a lot of ladybug in here. Look at the ladybug, guys, in the side of that ceiling, in the corner area. Oh my god. Christmas light! Christmas tree! That blinking light. This one over here, right here. This one right here. We have this long time ago. This one, the multifunction lights, different kind of lights. So I put it in there. It looks good. So what I did is, because of the light doesn't work, so I roll 2 boxes of the lights. Blinking light is very nice. I like it so much. And I will put the, what do you call it, guys? The ornaments now. I'm happy that I did this today, because I really thought I'm gonna give up, and then I wait for Tommy to be here. You guys wanna see again the tree? All the leaves is in the ground. It is nice right now. I can go lie down over there and take a picture, but of course I can't. It's cold. I'm just going to cook the chicken. Why bucket ba? Why bucket ba? Why bucket ba? And let's see. Yeah, here's the eggplant. I got 2 eggplant. 2 eggplants. I will slice that, and then I'm going to just fry it regular. And then the Christmas tree is kind of look funny because the other side there's no light, but I don't really care. It's kind of fun looking. So the light is still on in here. Why this light is on? Ito na guys, ito yung dinner ko. This is my dinner, and the sausawan, the dipping sauce for this eggplant. Yum! I love eggplant, guys. And I wish I have okra over here. I killed the light over here, so it's just the light in the Christmas tree, the TV, and under the cabinet. And I turned the light outside also. It is 5:16. It's early. It's really dark outside already. You can see it's really dark outside. Hi guys, maaga ako ngayon. I came up here early, even though there is TV downstairs. I just wanna lay down and So anyway guys, I'm gonna end this vlog early, and yeah, I will see you in my next vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy my vlog. I hope you enjoy the vlog, and thanks to all of you. Kisses